Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the new fairy fence on Grow a Garden's latest update. So basically, there are a bunch of new ones here. If you go to edit skins, you can also get the laser fence, the ascended fence, and the Greek fence I think is new. I'm not sure how to get those yet, but to get the fairy fence, if you go to the garden guide section, go to achievements, go to mini achievements and select explore. Once you're done, you're going to select it again, and as you can see, you can get the fairy friends by completing the achievements to unlock unique rewards. I really want that fairy fountain, so yeah, that is pretty much it. Hopefully I can get it, but don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!